Hey everybody, this is Prachi from Superwow Style, and in today's video I shall be talking about the latest nail art trends. So if you want to know what to wear this season, what not to wear this season, or if you're a fashion blogger, vlogger, nail artist, anything, this could be a really helpful video for you. Now let me start with the basics, the latest nail art colors, what colors to wear, what not to wear this season. Now this usually doesn't happen in fashion, because when one trend comes in, another trend gets replaced by it. But apparently that's not happening over here in fashion, at least in nail art fashion, because we have two opposite type of color combinations going on. One hand we have colors like the neon colors, bright, absolute bright neon colors, and on the other hand we have colored like nude shades, we have blacks, we have whites, we have all of these colors also going together in the fashion at the same time. So you can take your pick from either of these, but it will be nice to avoid pastel shades and colors like brown and maroon and things like that, because they usually are not being worn much right now. But of course, if they go with your outfit and things like that, that's always the case in fashion. If it goes with the look, then you have to wear it, but otherwise you should try and avoid them. Also, you might want to know about the latest nail art patterns, the kind of pattern designs that you should wear on your regular nail art days. Now, I'm not saying that intricate and detailed patterns are not in. If you want to go for very beautiful, detailed, bejeweled nail art designs, those are absolutely fantastic. But try to avoid wearing them during your daytime, during your college days or your school time and things like that. Nail art patterns, very simple patterns like checks, stripes, dotting designs, those are very much in this season. So this is a very good news for all those of you who don't have that kind of time or that kind of patience for nail art, or all those of you who have just started learning nail art, because easy simple patterns are very much in this season. Those look absolutely adorable, they look so cute, and those can be worn by everybody. Those can be worn by teenagers, those can be worn by kids, so they look really nice. So pattern nail designs are very much in, and you should definitely keep a watch out for those. If you're planning to buy nail polishes, we have a lot of we are seeing a lot of new nail polishes coming up every single day, and it can be really difficult to decide what to wear, what not to wear, what to buy, what not to buy, right? Now very recently, for example, we saw the liquid sand nail polish coming in the market. Now if you're curious to try it out, there is absolutely no harm in it, go ahead with it. But if the fashion forecasters are supposed to be are to be believed, these are not going to last for very long, because the market response hasn't been huge and tremendous. People are trying it out, but they're not really very positive about it. So you might want to think again. The nail polishes that you should buy, absolutely you must buy, are the glitter nail polishes. You can buy heavy glitter nail polishes, you can buy light glitter nail polishes, you can buy those gel based nail polishes, you can buy those jelly based nail polishes, especially the ones with glitter. Absolutely, they are absolutely in for right now, and they are going to be around for a very long time. You can take my word for it. So glitter nail polishes are absolutely in right now. Now we all know, we all love long nails, and we all keep praying for longer nails, stronger nails, nails to grow fast and things like that. But if you're one of those unfortunate ones who just can't seem to have their nails grow longer, here's the good news for you. Of late, in the latest fashion circuits and the latest fashion shows, if you follow them and if you observe them, you will see that models have been flaunting lots of really short nails. I'm not talking about really short nails, but I'm talking about nails which are just around medium in length or a little less than medium in length. So if you have a really deep nail bed, you probably don't have to grow your nails at all. And if you don't have a very deep nail bed, you might want to grow your nails just a little bit. Long nails are not out of this fashion completely. They are always in, because with long nails you can do more designs, there's more space for more creativity and things like that. But like I said, simple patterns, dots and checks and stripes and things like that are so in this season. Short nails are absolutely acceptable, and not just acceptable, they actually look good, and even I have actually cut my nails very short off late to be in the season. So short nails are quite in, and if you want, you can wear them short without feeling embarrassed or worried about your nail length at all. The most preferable and the most popular one at the moment is definitely the square shaped tip. This is basically for two reasons. The first reason is because it's very easy to create, since there are no curves and there is nothing to really worry about too much of sculpting and things like that. All you need to do is just move your filer straight. Square tip is something which we can all do very quickly and very easily. So it's a more practical option, and which is why it's kind of coming into trend very much these days. People are flaunting that a lot. Also, square tip makes your nails stronger, or should I say, it prevents your nails from breaking more easily. So that's another reason why square tip is so much in demand right now, and why everybody seems to be loving it. Other nail art options that you should watch out for are simple French manicure designs. Those are like absolutely in. If you just want a quick nail art pattern on your nails, just go for a quick neon French tip or white French tip. Neon French tip specifically I'm saying because latest fashion shows have been showing so many models wearing French tips in neon colors. It's like absolutely in for the season right now. Also, you can go for nail art foils. Nail art foils are like still such a hit in the market. Also, you can go for stamping. Stamping designs are here to stay for a very long time. So if you love stamping, or if you want, you can go for nail art stickers. Nail art stickers are also again very much in, because obviously they're very practical. Basically what I wanted to understand about the latest nail art trends is that what we are seeing right now is that simple, practical, quick fashion is what everybody is looking for, and that's what everybody is doing right now. So if until unless you have a lot of time, and if you have a very special occasion to attend, you can very easily just opt for some kind of a very simple nail art design, something very practical, short nails, simple pattern, colorful design, something cute and cute and attractive, and that's it. It's as simple as that for all of us right now. So it's a very good way to enjoy your nail art. And well, that's it for right now. Thanks for watching this video, and keep a watch out for more super wow style nail art videos. If you have any suggestions, any comments, any questions, feel free to comment in the comment box below, and I'll definitely get back to you. Thanks and bye bye.